So we're staying at the beautiful Majestic Elegance here in Punta Cana. On one side is the Majestic Mirage, on the other side is the Majestic Colonial. The Majestic Colonial was their first resort, and they're doing a major renovation, and I wanted to tell you about it. So a little background first, the Majestic Colonial was their first resort here. It's from a family-owned company in Spain, and they opened up the Majestic Colonial back in 2005. After that, they built the Elegance that we're at now, and then they built the Mirage. So as you can imagine, the Majestic Colonial was getting a little bit long in the tooth, so they've closed it down, and they're in the process of doing a $35 million renovation. And it's not going to be open until later, 2026, November or December. So I figured we'd go over and take a look and see what they're doing. So all three resorts are very close to each other. When you get to the main lobby bar, the Majestic Elegance, if you walk to the left, they'll bring you to the Mirage. If you walk to the right, they'll bring you to the Colonial. So let's walk over there and see what we can see. So when we first started coming down here to Punta Cana, our first resort was the Majestic Colonial, probably around 2007, 2008, shortly after they opened up. At that time, the general manager was Anne-Marie. She was very big on TripAdvisor. She would actually arrange for meet and greets of people who were posting on TripAdvisor. And it was really a lot of fun. You know, as you approach the Majestic Colonial, you'll see the casino, and that is still open. But their Caribbean Street, that's closed as part of the renovation. So you can see as you walk down the Caribbean Street, there's a blockade here. This would normally be open and there'd be shops and it would take you right into the Majestic Colonial. But they've piled up a bunch of stuff, furniture, things like that to keep people from walking in. So what exactly is going on behind these barricades? Well, they're gutting all the guest rooms and they're redoing them. They're adding a new restaurant and they're building an adult-style water park, all in the Majestic Colonial. And like I said, this will be open probably the very end of 2026. Now what we can do is we can walk around the side of the building and see what we can see. But the good news is during the renovation, the casino is still open, as well as I believe the Kids Splash Club, where our kids had a great time last year. Now what we'll do is we'll walk along the edge of the Majestic Elegance and kind of peek to the left, and we'll be able to see the construction project that's going on. Oh, by the way, tonight's Dominican night and they're getting ready with the flags. So over there, that's the Majestic Colonial. So here you have a good view of the Majestic Colonial. I don't know if you can make this out, but every room has been gutted. Take a look at that. I'll try to zoom in, but every room has been gutted and the grounds are being changed. I wonder if that's where they're going to put the new adult water park, but you can see all the rooms are being gutted. You can hear the noise of the construction. I'm sure they won't mind if we walk on the grass and take a closer look. But you can see, look at that. Like I said, a $35 million renovation. Maybe if we sneak in here, we can get a closer look even. This is the service road behind the Majestic Elegance. And if you can make it out, but those rooms have been stripped to the core, completely gutted. Let's see if we can walk around to the front of the resort. So here's the edge of the Majestic Elegance, and right through this gate is the Majestic Colonial undergoing the major renovation. They got the cranes there. I saw them lifting new floorboards up earlier today, or wall boards. And you can see the beach in front of the Majestic Colonial is just as nice as the Elegance. White sand, plenty of chairs. Looks like they stack things up to get ready for the construction. And like I said, all these rooms are being redone. Hey, if any of you are watching or part of the original crowd that came to the Majestic Colonial back in the 2000s, Coconut Monkey, a few others, put a comment below. Do you remember Anne-Marie? Put a comment below. Like I said, Anne-Marie was one of the original managers of the Majestic Colonial back in the 2000s when it first opened up, and she was great at getting people together. And if you're watching, Anne-Marie, thank you for everything you did 20 years ago. Now let's walk their beach and just take a look. So all the chairs are up so you can really appreciate the size of the beach. And like I mentioned before, they do have a problem with seaweed here, but the tractor comes several times a day trying to pick everything up. Now we stayed in these oceanfront rooms back in maybe 2008, 2009, and they were great, but you can see they've all been gutted and they're going to be completely new. Now a few years ago there was a bunch of erosion in front of the Colonial, but it looks like it's gotten better. The sand is really further out now than it was a couple years ago when we walked this beach. And you can see they do have one of the largest beaches of the three Majestic resorts that are here. The Colonial has one of the nicer and larger beaches. So Sue and I do plan on coming back to the Majestic Colonial and next year in 2027 just to check out the new rooms and see what they did. But this is a major project they're undertaking here. And their setup is very similar to what you find at the other Majestic resorts. They have a seafood house here in the middle on the beach, and then you have rooms on that side, rooms on that side. Now if you notice, this is not a thatch roof. When this first opened up in 2005, it was a thatched roof, but a fire started one evening from the grill and it went all the way back and burned many of the buildings in the center of the resort. So now they're back to using asphalt, which is probably a smart idea. It also looks like, if you look very closely, that they may have also drained the main pool. And what I said about the new water park as part of the Majestic Colonial's renovation, I thought it was going to be right next to the Colonial building, but we just got a hot tip from one of our sources that possibly they'll be building the new water park back here near the Blossom Spa. Somewhere in this area here might be the new water park. We'll have to see. Until next time, safe travels.